Your gut is essentially the engine room of your entire body, and when it starts sputtering, everything else feels off. You have likely seen those sleek bottles promising a total transformation in just 2 months. It is the kind of pitch that stops you mid-scroll. The Balance 160-Day Gut Reset is positioning itself right in the center of that conversation. They are offering a two-part system that claims to handle both your gut lining and your microbiome. On one hand, you have a powder called Revivagout. It is packed with heavy hitters, like glutamine. This amino acid is often called the fuel for your intestinal cells. Then you have zinc carnosine, licorice extract, slippery elm, and aloe vera. These are the soothing agents. They are the ingredients meant to coat and calm a stressed out system. On the other hand, you are taking a time-release probiotic. This little tablet contains 12 different strains of bacteria. The goal is that these bugs will survive the harsh environment of your stomach. They need to actually make it to your intestines where they can do some good. It sounds like a solid plan on paper. The company is very open about their third-party testing. This is a massive win for transparency. It means they are actually checking to make sure what is on the label is in the bottle. They also make sure it is free from gluten and dairy. This is a big deal for anyone dealing with sensitivities or allergies. But here's where we have to pause and look closer. The product page boasts a high rating from over 1,500 people. That is a lot of happy customers. However, high ratings are not the same thing as clinical proof. We do not have a specific study showing that this exact combination of ingredients produces these exact results for every person who tries it. Sometimes these bundles use blends where the exact amount of each ingredient is not fully transparent. Without knowing if the zinc carnosine is at a therapeutic dose, we are partly flying blind. It is easy to get caught up in the marketing claims of rebalancing a microbiome. Your internal ecosystem is incredibly complex. It is like a massive invisible rainforest living inside you. Adding 12 strains of bacteria is helpful, but it might not be the total solution for everyone. You have to wonder if 60 days is really enough to undo years of digestive stress. It is a great window for a reset, but it is not a magic wand. You are doing one scoop and one tablet daily. It is a simple routine. This makes it easy to stick to. Consistency is usually the biggest hurdle with supplements. If you can actually do this for 2 months straight, you are giving your body a real chance to respond. But you should always look at the full formula first. Do not just take the marketing at face value. Look for the evidence behind the specific ingredients. Aloe and slippery elm have been used for centuries to soothe irritation. They have a long history. Zinc carnosine has been studied for its role in supporting the stomach lining. These parts of the puzzle are well known. The question is whether they all work together in this specific ratio for your unique body. It is a professional-looking bundle that hits all the right notes for a modern health product. Just remember that your gut is unique. What works for 1,500 other people might not be your perfect fix. Take the time to evaluate the science behind the hype before you commit. Your health is worth more than a quick look at a star rating. It is about finding what truly supports your system for the long haul.